efforts on a daily basis. We are thrilled to have you join us again as we continue to explore, engage and celebrate the incredible talent and innovation on display. Yesterday was just the beginning with a fantastic array of exhibits that showcase the creativity and hard work of our students and teachers. Today, we are diving even deeper with more inspiring presentations, interactive demonstrations, and opportunities to connect with the artists and innovators behind these remarkable works. Therefore, I, Vanshika Jain of Standard 10, your host for today's event, welcome all of you back on the second day of this exhibition enthusiastically. I welcome our eminent guests, beloved principal, teachers, our coordinators, parents, and my fellow friends. At GSMS, we organize the annual exhibition to provide our students a platform to display their talents which cannot be exhibited in a classroom during the regular course of studies. GSMS believes in the strong relationship between academics and co-curricular activities, which are required in building up a strong personality and unshakable character of the student. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. So, let's commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom which is a symbolic movement that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thoughts and enlightenment. I would like to request our principal to escort our distinguished guests for lighting the lamp that symbolizes the auspicious beginning of the program.
As we gather to celebrate this auspicious occasion, let us turn our hearts and minds to a cherished tradition with the Ganesh Vandana. The beautiful hymn honors Lord Ganesha, the beloved deity of wisdom, prosperity, and new beginnings. Through this divine invocation, we seek His blessings to remove obstacles from our path and to infuse our endeavors with success and harmony. Let this moment of devotion uplift our spirits and set a positive tone for the journey ahead.
A warm and hearty welcome to our distinguished guests for being present here today.
Hearts and minds to a cherished tradition with the Ganesh Vandana. This beautiful hymn honors Lord Ganesha, the beloved deity of wisdom, prosperity, and new beginnings. Through this divine invocation, we seek His blessings to remove obstacles from our path and to infuse our endeavors with success and harmony. Let this moment of devotion uplift our spirits and set a positive tone for the journey ahead. dance has left everyone feeling peaceful and positive. Thank you girls for this marvelous performance. Now, I would like to call Aparna ma'am to facilitate the distinguished guest for today.
Thank you, Anvay. I take this privilege to felicitate and introduce our guest. We have with us today Mrs. Shubhangi Kanoskar, the HM of SPT Saman School, Kodla. I request our principal, Mrs. Sudhashari, to please felicitate our guest. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us today to grace this special occasion. We have with us the HM of Modern English High School, Kodla, Mrs. Parmeshwari Vaikuntham. In spite of your busy schedule, we are thankful to you, ma'am. You took your precious time to grace this event. Thank you, ma'am. I request our coordinator, Mrs. Chitra Menon, to felicitate our senior most supervisor, who is with us today, who has retired and provided excellent service to our GSMS family. She is no other than Lavran Sangeeta ma'am, Mrs. Sangeeta Arora. Thank you, ma'am, for coming and gracing this special occasion. Thank you so much, ma'am. I request Rachna Miss to please felicitate the head of the Blooming Birds section, Pavai Vihar, Mrs. Sonia Jarat. Thank you, ma'am. In spite of your busy schedule, you have graced this occasion. We have with us our ICSE coordinator, Mrs. Savita Agarwal. Rachna Miss, please felicitate Mrs. Savita Agarwal. Thank you. And we will take over.
Music is a universal language of a mind. When words fail, music speaks. Life is a melody and music is a language of a spirit. To continue with our program, we have a school choir group who will be performing the welcome song with enthusiasm. of applause for our remarkable school choir. Your performance of the welcome song was truly enchanting, setting a warm and uplifting tone for the entire event. Now, I would like to call Urvi Bhavia to carry on the show.
In the words of Friedrich Nietzsche, we should consider every day lost on which we have not danced at least once. With this invigorating sentiment in mind, we are excited to present our upcoming dance performances. As per the topics of the respective classes, an extended version of the theme will be showcased in the form of a dance to enhance the ideas for better understanding and entertainment. जगात जर यशाचा मार्ग असेल तर तो मी शोधेल आणि नसेल तर मग स्वतः निर्माण करेल. As said by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the meaning of this is, for any success, if there is a way, I will find it. If there is no way, I will make it. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's bravery, courage and intelligence truly proves how important he is in Indian history. The theme of Standard 5th is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the iconic king, and they will depict the valor of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj through the warrior dance. Rocking performance, just like Shivaji Maharaj. I'm sure that this must have given you goosebumps, didn't it? Give them a loud round of applause, audience. The greatness of culture can be found in its festivals. Every 15 days, a festival is celebrated in some part of our country. However, there are certain festivals which are not known or less popular than some. The students of Standard 2nd will be performing the lesser known festivals of India, presenting the Lat Mar followed by Bhagwan. Lat Mar is celebrated a week before the actual festival of Holi. The key ritual revolves around men folk trying to snare women with colors, while the latter protects themselves with lathis or sticks. Bhagor dance is associated with a festival known as Bhagoria and a fair called Bhagoria Haat. The unmarried boys and girls of the tribe prepare for this fest that serves the purpose of a marriage bureau by establishing links between prospective brides and bridegrooms leading to matrimonial union. They played the drums, but the beats were in our heart. They deserve a louder round of applause. Now I call upon Maria Rangunwala to introduce our next dance.
Women are about half the population in the world. Even with such an acute understanding and knowledge, the sad reality prevails. In India, women are worshipped in the form of Shakti and Devi. Yet, despite this, the recent gruesome happenings all across India should not go unheard. Girls, women and toddlers are not spared. A change will only be made if a change is made in your mindset. Teaching girls self-defense is important, but educating and teaching boys how to treat girls with respect is a lot more crucial. So here we have a poem and a monoactic presentation.
यांनी आपल्या समाजात मुलींना शिक्षण घेऊन मानाने जगायला शिकवले, पण आज त्याच मुलींवर व स्त्रियांवर अत्याचार होत आहेत. मग मुलींना व स्त्रियांना सक्षम बनवणे व त्यांच्यातील स्त्री पुन्हा पेटून उठण्यासाठी सावित्रीबाई आपणास कवितेच्या माध्यमातून काही उपदेश देत आहे. आता मी हुमेरा डांगरा हिला कविता बोलण्यासाठी येण्याची विनंती करतो.
जमेल तेव्हा जमेल तसे माझे सोयीनुसार कौतुक करता, पण खरे दुःख याचे की तुम्ही मला गृहीत धरता. त्याचा राग मी तुमच्या समोर खोलतीये. होय, मी सावित्री ज्योतिबा फुले बोलतीये. कुऱ्हाडीचा दांडा जसा गोतास काढवावा तशी सगळ्या गोष्टी डोक्यावरून गेल्या. ज्या माझा वारसा सांगतात त्याच बेईमान झाल्यात असे होईल मला काय माहित. मला कुठे पुढचे दिसले होते. एका वेगळ्या जगासाठी मी शिव्याशा दगडाबरोबर शेती सोसले होते. तुमच्या शब्दात सांगायचे तर रात्र दिवस घासले होते. आज मी कसले घाव झेलतीये. होय, मी सावित्री ज्योतिबा फुले बोलतीये. मान नको, पान नको, आमचे उपकारही फेडू नका. कीर्तन बिर्तन काही नको, जोडायची म्हणून भाषणी जडू नका. वाघिणीचे दूध पिऊन कुत्र्यांसारखा गोंडा गोडीत आहात. धर्म संस्काराच्या नावाखाली टाकाऊ परंपरा पाडित आहात. तुमच्या चिपाळलेल्या डोळ्यात म्हणूनच हे अंजन घालतीये. होय, मी सावित्री ज्योतिबा फुले बोलतीये. मनमानी आणि स्वैराचाराला पुरोगामित्वाचे लेबल लावणे यासारखी दुसरी सोपी युक्ती नाही. फक्त नवरे बदलणे, घटस्फोट घेणे ही काही स्त्रीमुक्ती नाही. माझी खरी लेक तीच जी सत्यापुढे झुकत नाही. सावित्री आणि ज्योतिबांपुढे आंधळेपणाने माथा टेकत नाही. माझी खरी लेक तीच जो आम्हाला सुद्धा नव्याने तपासून स्वतःची भाषा बोलते. आमचाही वसा तावून सुलाखून पेलते. होय, मी सावित्री ज्योतिबा फुले बोलते. ज्योतिबांशिवाय सावित्री आणि सावित्रीशिवाय ज्योतिबा समजून घेता येणार नाही. विचारांची ही ज्योती एकटी एकटी नेता येणार नाही. सुनांना लागावे म्हणून तर लेकींनो तुम्हाला बोलतेय. होय, मी सावित्री ज्योतिबा फुले बोलतेय. धन्यवाद.
संपन्न ही पदवी तर मिळालीच आहे. सगळ्यांचे डबे बनवणे, लहान मुलांकडे लक्ष देणे, चविष्ट जेवण बनवणे अशी बरीच कामे ते करतात. पण अशा या मल्टीटास्क असणाऱ्या स्त्रियांच्या भूमिका पुरुष कधी करू शकतात का, तेच आपण पाहूया स्वरूपच्या या कवितेतून. पुरुषांना दिलेले किचनचे आव्हान. कवितेचे नाव आहे फक्त तुमची जागा बदलून पहा.
चव कशी येत नाही, प्रश्न पडताय, शंका येते, थोडं थांबून पहा. अहो काही नाही, फक्त तुमची जागा बदलून पहा. मीठ कमी कसं होतं, तुझी फोडणी कशी जळते, दूध जातं उतू आणि कणिक सैल कशी पडते. उत्तर हवीत, साप मागताय, नुसतं तिच्या धडपडीला बघत फार नाही, फक्त तुमची जागा बदलून पहा. कढीपत्ता टाकलाय तरी तापलेल्या तेलात, साय टाळून दूध तरी ओतलंय का पेल्यात. फार कशाला, पिशवी कापून तेल न सांडता ओतून पहा. अहो काही नाही, फक्त तुमची जागा बदलून पहा. शिजणाऱ्या पूर्णापाशी उभं राहून बघ, शिजणाऱ्या पूर्णापाशी उभं राहून बघ, कळणाऱ्या लोण्याची समजून घे दर. एवढं करून जेवणासाठी हाका मारा दा. फार नाही, फक्त तुमची जागा बदलून पहा. घरातून सांगू शकतात किती शिल्लक आहे रवा. अहो मूल रडतंय, अहो मूल रडतंय पोट धरून, सांगा बरं कुठे असतो वा. यात काय त्यात काय पेक्षा तिचं मनगट जवळून पहा. फार कशाला तापलेल्या कुकरची शिटी उचलून पहा. फार नाही, फक्त तुमची जागा बदलून पहा. धन्यवाद.
Applause. Now we will present before you the daily struggles of women in the form of a dance drama that will be performed by Standard 7, who have been given the theme of women empowerment.
कमजोर नहीं थे, शक्ति का नाम ही नारी। हिम्मत कर, जीतेगी तू, ये कब किससे हारी है।
Very powerful message about a woman's life. Please give them a loud round of applause. I now call upon Urvi Vavya to take over the vote of thanks.
I stand here today to express my heartfelt thanks to all those who have made this event possible. I would like to start by thanking our Managing Trustee, Mr. Prashant Sharma ji, and trustees who have always been supportive of our initiatives and encouraged us to strive for excellence. I express my gratitude to our esteemed guests and head of various institutions by taking their precious time out of their hectic schedules to be present here today. My special thanks to our beloved principal, Mrs. Sudha Sharan, for conceptualizing this event for the GSMS family. Thank you to our coordinators, Mrs. Chitra Menon, Mrs. Rachna Kapoor and Mrs. Roma Patil for their timeless efforts and hard work. A big thank you to our dance teacher, Mrs. Preeti Vaidya, and music teacher, Ms. Jyoti Pandey, for giving a sparkling start to this grand function. How can we forget to thank our art teachers, Mrs. Daljit Kaur Sehra and Mr. Ramesh Kadam, and the battalion of the student volunteers to beautify this event from the entrance to the auditorium. A huge thank you to the teachers of GSMS for their contribution to this event. Special thanks to the head of operations, Ms. Niharika De Silva, for her assistant, Mr. Subodh of stores, and Ms. Tulika, head of admin, for her assistant. Thank you to my fellow mates for their collaborative and dedicated efforts to meticulously plan and execute each aspect of this successful event. My special thanks to our technical staff, Mr. Daulat Nagawade and Mrs. Alka Paran, for their technical support. A big thank you to the non-teaching staff, Anil, and Class 4 staff members for their support. I express my gratitude to Mr. Radha Krishnan for photography, the social media team, and our decorator, Mr. Sarfaraz and team. Thank you to the electrician for his support. Last but not the least, I sincerely extend my gratitude to our lovely student volunteers for their continuous support. I now request all the people who are present here to rise up for the national anthem.